First one ball, second one car, third one doll, fourth one train, fifth one egg, sixth one elephant, seventh one earth, eighth one cud, ninth one fruits, 10th one peacock, 11th one sky, 12th one moon, 13th one bike, 14th one cat, 15th one tree, 16th one shemi, 17th one sunlight, 18th cycle. Reverse.
ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ
18th cycle, 19th book, 20 dog,
రిటర్న్
dog, book, cycle, sunlight, shemi, tree, cat, bike, moon, sky, peacock, fruits, cud, earth, elephant, eggs, train, doll, car, ball.
ఓకే మళ్ళా థర్డ్ వన్
Third one doll,
12th
12th one moon,
6th వన్
6th one చెప్పినా
మళ్ళా 16th వన్
16th one shemi,
8th
huh?
8th వన్
8th one cud,
ఓకే 19th వన్
19th one book,
10
huh?
10
10 peacock,
14th
14th cat,
18th.
hmm?
18th.
18th one cycle.
Okay.
ఓకే
అందులో